man. You screamed he's bloody gorgeous, we're getting licked where I am. But you lost him for a minute and I swear you almost cried. You said that you were sure that one day you would be his bride. But lo, just like your savior, he came back from the loo with such determination you knew just what to do. You strutted up to George and you sat right on his lap. You said, mind if I sit here? And I guess, well, that was that, 'cause this is love. This is love, love. It's love, 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 love. So had I not have witnessed it happen on that night, I'd have told you that it's not true. There's no love at first sight, but at every inch of earth that both of you could be. Just be luck that you were there, so was he.